Welcome to linford.co.uk Get Going Guides with our WordPress tutorials. This tutorial we're looking at widgets and plugins for your website. Widgets add some little bits of functionality and interactivity to your site which can be quite good for you. And widgets are found on this right hand side over here. So we've got search information, recent posts and categories all listed there. Now to add and control these, we just go to widgets, or we go to the appearance and down to widgets, and these are the things we've got running in our sidebar. So if you want, you can click on these and up will come information. So in recent posts, how many posts do you want to do and what do you want to call it. So I'm just going to change it to my posts and make a save on that, and then go to visit the site, and you'll see that it's now changed it to my posts and will show a number of posts there. Now if we go back to the widgets things, if there's something we don't want, so we don't want to show the categories anymore, you can just drag it off and get rid of it, and we don't want the archives, that's okay. But if there's something we want to add, we're going to add a calendar. We want to go there, and I'll call that my cow for there, and then I can view it again and I can see what we've got there, and you can see that I've got a calendar appeared on my sidebar. Now I can change the order of those just by quickly going up and changing the order, and it will appear on the site in that space as well. So I've got the calendar appearing higher up now. Now you can add more widgets quite easily, but you go to a thing called plugins. Plugins, it shows you what plugins you've got running already. So these are ones that need to be activated. Just click activate when you want it. This one's very good because it stops people spamming your site and stops it being hacked, so it's a little bit of security for it. You do need to go to click on these links, and they will give you a key which you type into your server, and it will then start to work for you. We're going to install a new one, so we just go add new, and then you can put keywords in for it there. So you can just click on widget. We've got a little floating tag cloud there, but I know if I do mad, it comes up with the one that I want, and I'm going to install a Google AdSense for you. It's got this little AdSense widget that's good, and to install it you just click install now. Yes, I'm sure I want to install it. It will download it to your server, and I just want to activate it straight away, and there it is. So you can see here I've got it running here. I can deactivate at any point, but it does have some setting up information to do, which means I've got to go to Google to join in my account. Now, give you a little bit of code that you would need to paste into it at a later stage, but we won't do that. We're just in that with blank adverts at the moment. So now if I go to my widgets, you should see my easy AdSense light appeared, and so I'm going to drag that into the sidebar. I haven't done the settings bit. You can just follow your nose for that, so you just go back there and sort it out from there. But so I can change where it is, but now let's see what it's done. If I scroll down, you can see I've got this box that has appeared on my page, which is where an advert will appear. So each post will have an advert if I want it. There's not an advert appearing there because I've got to put the plugin add code into there. So you can add your own widgets. You just go searching around. You can go to wordpress.org and you can find loads of widgets and stuff there to play in, or plugins as they would call them, and just play around with them and find the ones that work for you. There's all sorts of different things out there. There's thousands of them for you to play with. Easy to install, easy to uninstall. Doesn't matter if it goes wrong, you can just get rid of it at a later date. So this is www.linford.co.uk. You can find me on iTunes and YouTube, and I'll see you again for another tutorial.